Today I want to demonstrate a valuable use for Google's NotebookLM, the AI-enabled notebook that runs in a browser. I wrote and published a short story about a year ago titled Weary Christian. The story is written as an allegory. As I began working on Volume 2, I realized I needed to study Book 1 to relearn the subplots and imagery. To do this, I needed a tool to help me research my first book. That's when I remembered Google NotebookLM. My first impression of NotebookLM had been that it was a great technology looking for a use case. As I used NotebookLM, I found that it was the perfect tool for the job. Here's how I use Google LM. To start, you create a new notebook and give it a name. Notice that the left column is labeled Sources. This is where you add all of the documents you want to research. For me, I had two documents. One was a simple text file that contained the names of characters. The second document was a PDF of my entire first book. As you can see, it's a simple process to add text. Now let's click on the text source. The text is processed as it is loaded. To include the document in your analysis, you need to click on the text box in the lower right-hand corner of the source window. Notice that NotebookLM has created informative topics from simple data. You may not be impressed, but watch the next 2 minutes. I think your thinking will be filled with use cases where NotebookLM can help you. Notice that when we find a response that is useful, we can click the pin located in the upper right-hand corner, and it saves that onto a canvas where all of our meaningful notes are kept. Notice that we are interacting with the document using a chat format where we ask questions and NotebookLM uses the source document and comes up with answers. Now I will add the PDF of my first book. This will be the primary source that NotebookLM will use. As with the first book, NotebookLM is processing the PDF and then coming up with some suggested topics to research. Notice that you can click on the citations, and each citation will take you to the place in the document that was the source. NotebookLM gives us suggested questions to ask, but we can also enter our own questions, such as, who is Charity? We're not constrained to just notes created by NotebookLM, but we also can create our own notes and add those to the canvas. I hope this has been interesting to you, and I hope that it has given you ideas for your own projects. NotebookLM is really unique in the marketplace. It's an experiment from Google, so we don't know how long it will be around, but it definitely is a powerful tool. Thanks for watching.